Hi guys, it's Velian here from Velian Speaks Tech, and today I want to show you how to use Google Camera custom settings or best settings, how you can export them and import them. I hope you like the video, so let's have a look. Hi guys, it's Velian here from Velian Speaks Tech, and I want to show you today how to use custom configuration files with your Google Camera. What are the custom configuration files, guys? The so-called XMLs is nothing more, nothing less, but just using a preloaded set of settings that apparently will optimize the way you use the Google Camera and will turn, hopefully, your photos into something better. So I'm going to unlock my phone and I'm going to go straight away to the Google Camera Port Hub, where you can find a lot of Google Camera versions for a lot of Android phones, guys. Now I'm using right now the OnePlus 7 phone, and for my phone there are basically two recommended versions of our Google Camera. The first one is created by Extreme and it is based on the Google Camera 6.1, and the second one is created by Ernix and it is based actually on the Arnova GCam 6.2. I'm downloading actually the latest one, which is the latest beta, so this here, okay? Because I have already downloaded it, I will straight away install it, okay? So as you can see, I'm installing it, okay? Need to wait a little bit, although it's a Snapdragon 855, okay? Some more time to go. Okay, guys, now back here to the Google Camera Port Hub. So what are the XML files and how you can use it, guys? All right. So always under each of these cameras, you can find something called best settings. All right. So what are XML files and how do you import them? Again, very short. So the Google Camera versions, not all of them, but most of them do support the export and import of XML files, which pretty much allows a very quick way for the users to load configurations or even save configurations. But in order for you to be able to use this, you need to locate the GCam folder inside your internal storage, open it and create inside a folder called configs. All right, it should look something like this, and then these XML files, guys, that you download from the internet or specifically from the Google Camera Port, you should store inside. And I'm actually going to show you how it works for me. I'm going here into my file manager, okay, into internal storage. I need to locate where my Google Camera folder is. Again, it's called the GCam. Double click here with the mouse, no, the finger. And inside here you can see in the GCam folder, guys, I have created a folder called configs with us. Inside, I have already placed the two XMLs I have downloaded from the Google Camera Port Hub. So what I'm doing right now, and because that's the tricky part, I want to show you how you're supposed to load them. So I am starting my Google Camera. Okay, you need to allow, of course, all the permissions. And now here the tricky part, guys, is when you want to change the configurations, what you need to do is double press or double click into this black area here. So I'm just doing it right now. Okay, and you can see, boom, choose config. Now let me try to restore that one. Okay, sometimes this doesn't happen, you have to do it again. Oops, do it again. Sorry, not that. Do it again, then press restore, and boom, now the settings are loaded. Okay, now if you go into the settings, you're gonna see, for example, export compensations or the back camera or the front camera model or the HDR control. All of these things are like pre-tweaked based on the settings from the XML you downloaded. Let me try to load also the other one. Okay, if we load here the other one, restore. Okay, didn't work. Let me try again. You have to hit second time. You need to make sure that the Google Camera restarts in order for the settings to be there, and you can already see that this setting apparently has a grid there. All right, so if we go here to the settings, okay, you can see exposure now is +04. It also enabled the dark theme. Okay, and pretty much all the settings are tweaked really to give you the best performance according to these XMLs. In most of the cases, for the XMLs that are provided by the Google Camera Port side, guys, you're gonna see a short description, what those XMLs are optimized for. All right, so for example, in the best settings now, in those two one that I loaded, the first one created by XDeadShot is optimized for taking photos with vibrant colors, right? And then of course we have like another one used or created by the Xiaomi Mi 9, and this is to get like overall better results. Now again, these things are a little bit subjective, so you have to really find the best port for you guys and the best settings for you, but I just wanted to show how it's done. So this is really how it's done, nothing much too complicated. I hope you liked the video, guys. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Velian over and have a nice day. Bye.